Welcome to Rhythmic Medicine. This harvest host is located in Overland Park, Kansas, and everything is related to music and how it functions with your body. There's so many amazing things at this location for you to explore, from biomats that have amethyst infused inside of them, Native American flutes, hand-painted drums and cathedral drums, classes, and more. Rhythmic Medicine offers a bevy of handmade Native American flutes, created from stunning hardwoods and exotic woods. You'll find the perfect flute for you. While you're at Rhythmic Medicine, take advantage of the chance to learn the Native American flute. Janelle will guide you on this instrument, and in no time at all, with no musical experience whatsoever, you can be creating beautiful, soothing, and healing music. Treat yourself to a session on the Amethyst Biomat. These biomats not only calm and soothe, but are designed to detoxify the body. There's also a variety of other instruments that are available for you, whether that be tonally or rhythmically or both. Everything is available for you to try and experience for yourself. Do not miss your opportunity to book a fantastic stay at this harvest host. Rhythmic music will teach you how to lower your blood pressure, slow your heart rate, and also work on deep breathing, all through the power of music. I can't play a musical instrument will be the last time you ever say that after experiencing the cathedral drums. It's impossible to play a wrong note on the cathedral drum, and in a matter of seconds, you'll be making inspirational, soothing, and beautiful music. Take it from me, you'll never feel better and more relaxed with a little help from Rhythmic Medicine. Book your harvest host stay today and take advantage of this amazing gem on the map.